Guys, Judge Ratha is in so much trouble. Oh my word. I'm just like, hey, Boputi, umlomo wakho nawe umanzi and ufika enyaweni. You can actually talk ngalo mlomo wakho. Buka manje. uDalimpofu is like, no. We're not playing with him. And also, it's not the first time. It's for the second time. With Judge Ratha saying stuff about black lawyers. It needs to stop. And also, with Ratha, he goes on. He doesn't know when to stop. So they just like, Puti, please, you need to stop at some stage. You understand? You know, this morning he's all over the news. Ratha. As I'm opening the news, I'm just like, Ratha, guys, is naye. Legal experts are just like, Sfigenin la, when Ratha ufigenin la, just Ratha guys is in so much trouble. Angazi uzoxolisa kanjani, angazi when is he going to apologize? And you know what's crazy about it though? He apologized the last time. Yes. Wapinda ke manje. They just like the black lawyers. We're not having it. The black lawyers are just like, we're not having it. Mina, my thing is that you shouldn't have generalized. We understand. You need to think about things like this. He didn't think of the consequences. Sometimes, guys, I'm just like, bra, please, you know? Ratha is on his own, guys. I don't think anyone's going to back him up.